Yes, my friends. Now I am going to explain how to use Spike Killer. After installation, what you received, simply click on your account here, open data folder. Okay, once the data folder open, click on MQL5 folder, open indicators folder. Paste all indicators you receive from me here. And after pasting indicators, go to profiles, go to templates, TPL all files paste here. You will see a file, next name is TPL. This format you have to save in template. That's all. After doing this, simply close your data folder, come here and refresh, and after simply click on template, click on load template and find out where you saved your template. I have in download. Let's click on crash 500 because this is crash 500 index made 5 time frame. Let's open. Look here, the chart is open front of me right there. You guys can see here. If any indicator missing, you can add manually. Okay, look here, the spike killer indicator which is missing. Now let me add it manually. Now here you guys can see the indicator setting is done. Simply click on M5 time frame. Here you will analyze the market, how to trade using this system on spike indicator. Once the spike indicate, how you need to use. Look here guys, there are a lot of signal. How to filter these signals? First of all, you need to look on verified spike area. This verified mean probably there will be a lot of spike when you enter at this point in market. Okay, simply need to focus on verified spike area. Look here guys, here we received a signal. Okay, this is minute 5 time frame. How to place this trade? Simply you have to wait for market. Look here, you received a signal. You wait for market reach to this area, verified spike area. Once that market reached in verified spike area, you open your trade here. Okay, let's suppose your trade is open here, and your stop loss will be only 4 candle, which will be at this point. Okay, this will be your 4 candle stop loss, and after a while you see how much profit you made. So this is how it works. Very simple, very easy. When to avoid? Look here, this is a signal, but you see there is no any verified spiker and verified resistance, verified support area. There is no sign. So avoid that type of signals. Avoid that type of signal. You need to wait with patience and trade only when you get a signal on verified spike area. Let me tell you the second condition how to trade. The first thing I told you about is support and resistance. The second thing is order block. Order block, look here. That type of candle is called order block. That type of all candles when you see on chart minute 5 time frame on top or bottom, it's called order block. You need to wait for this. When this formation complete, this is order block. When next time market reach to this order block area, and you receive this arrow signal, on order block area, you have to mark this and extend it for long use. And once market reached and you receive an arrow, it's mean there will be a spike. You need to open your trade, and your stop loss will be 4 candle here above than order block. Okay, place your trade in order block, 4 candle stop loss, and look here, you made good profit. Again, once market is in order block and you receive signal, you have to wait for market to give you signal. Okay, look here is the signal, and you received, here is the order block. Which one? You guys can see the extended one. Look here, this order block give you again spike. After holding 5 candles, the spike appeared. Let me give you more examples. Each time the order block appear, look here is the order block, just simply extend. When you receive signal on order block, here is the signal. Market is in order block area, a lot of spikes. Okay, market is in order block area. Here is the signal, and look here, a lot of spikes. So best of luck. Use this system as I guide you guys on minute 5 time frame in boom and crash. The same way as I told you, avoid losses, make good profit. Still have any questions you guys may ask us.